Welcome to mathematics class, trigonometric ratios, part 6. Periodic function and period. What is a periodic function? A function y is equal to fx is said to be a periodic function if there exists a positive real number p such that f of x plus p is equal to f of x for all x belongs to real numbers. The least value of the positive real number p is called the fundamental period of a function. This fundamental period of a function is also called the period of the function at which the function repeats itself. F of x plus p is equal to f of x. ఈ ప్రమేయం యొక్క విలువ పునరావృతం అవుతుంది. ఆ పునరావృతము కావడం ఏ విలువను కలిపితే పునరావృతం అవుతుందో దాన్ని ఆవర్తనము పీరియడ్ అంటాం. ఇక్కడ x ప్లస్ పి, ఈ x కు p కలిపితే మళ్ళీ దాంట్లో మార్పు లేదు, ఆ ఫంక్షన్ వాల్యూ రిమైన్స్ సేమ్. f of x వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉందో f of x plus p వాల్యూ కూడా అంతే ఉంది. The value of f of x plus p is equal to f of x. So this p is called period avartanam. The period of some of the important periodic functions are as follows. The period of sin x function is 2 pi and cos x function is also 2 pi and sec x cosec x functions also 2 pi. And the period of tan x and cot x is pi. So only tan x and cot x period is pi. The remaining 4 sin, cos, sec, cosec period is 2 pi. ఒక tan cot కు పై అవుతుంది, మిగతా 4కి sin x cos x sec x cosec x కు ఆవర్తనం పీరియడ్ 2 pi అవుతుంది. Let us look at some properties of periodic functions. The following properties are helpful for a deeper understanding of the concepts of a periodic function. A graph of a periodic function is symmetric and repeats itself along the horizontal axis. We can better understand the periodic function in a graph. The domain of the periodic function includes all the real number values, and the range of the periodic function is defined for a fixed interval. The period of a periodic function against which the period repeats itself is equal to the constant across the entire range of the function. The period is a constant, it remains equal. If f of x is a periodic function with a period of p, then 1 by f of x will also be a periodic function with the same fundamental period p. fx అనే ప్రమేయానికి ఆవర్తనం p అయితే 1 by fx ప్రమేయానికి కూడా ఆవర్తనం p అవుతుంది. So it's reciprocal. Period of reciprocal function is also, the function itself is periodic function and its period also remains same. If f of x is a periodic function with a period p, then f of ax plus b is also a periodic function with a period of p by mod a. fx అనే ప్రమేయము పీరియాడిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆవర్తన ప్రమేయం యొక్క ఆవర్తనం p అయితే fx అనే ఆవర్తన ప్రమేయానికి ఆవర్తనం p అయితే f of ax plus b అనే ప్రమేయం కూడా ఆవర్తన ప్రమేయం అవుతుంది. దాని ఆవర్తనం p by mod a అవుతుంది. This is very important point. If you know the period of fx, then the period of f of ax plus b is p by mod a. If f of x is a periodic function with a period of p, then a into f of x plus b is also a periodic function with a period p. fx ఆవర్తన ప్రమేయానికి ఆవర్తనం p అయితే a into f of x plus b అనే ఆవర్తన ప్రమేయానికి కూడా ఆవర్తనం pa అవుతుంది. సో దీని యొక్క ఆవర్తనం మారదు. ఒక ఫంక్షన్ a అనే నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కూడా ఆవర్తనం p అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ మల్టిప్లై ఏ ఫంక్షన్ విత్ ఏ స్కేలార్, ఈవెన్ దో ఇట్స్ పీరియడ్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. So let us look at some example. Find the period of the function sin of 4x plus 5. Given function sin 4x plus 5, the period of sin x is 2 pi. Sin 4x plus 5 అంటే ఇది sin x పీరియడ్ ను ఉపయోగించి దీన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. sin x కు పీరియడ్ ఆవర్తనం 2 pi. సో sin 4x plus 5 ఆవర్తనం ఎంత అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం p by mod a అని ఇంతకుముందు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ లో చూసాం కాబట్టి జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. If period of fx is p, then f of ax plus b is p by mod a. Then if sin x period is 2 pi, ఇక్కడ period 2 pi, sin 4x plus 5 అంటే here, so here a value, p value is 2 pi and a value is 4. Here, if you compare this, a value ax plus b, 4x plus 5, to compare this with ax plus b, then a value is 4. So the period is p by mod a. Period of this function, period of given function p by mod a, that is 2 pi by 4. You cancel 2 and 4, you will get pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the period. Look at this one. Find the period of tan 3x plus sin pi x by 2. ఇక్కడ రెండు ప్రమేయాలు ఉన్నాయి. Two functions are there. Let us suppose first tan 3x as f of x and sin pi x by 2 as g of x. Period of tan 3x, tan x period is pi and tan 3x period is pi by 3. So p by mod a. So pi by 3, p value is pi, a value is 3. And sin x period is 2 pi Sin phi x by 2 period is 2 pi by 5 by 2, that is 4 pi by 5. For this is p by a pi by 3, it is okay. For this one, p value is 2 pi, and a value is pi by 2. So this becomes 2 by 5. This is a value. So 2 pi into 2 by 5, that is 2 into 2, 4 pi by 5. Now, f of x is the given function is the sum of two functions. ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు వీటి LCM తీసుకోవాలి. LCM of pi and 4 pi divided by రెండిటి LCM pi 4 pi అవుతుంది. And ఈ denominators 3 and 5 HCF, highest common factor, Gasaba, మనకు 1 అవుతుంది. సో pi and 4 pi LCM 4 pi by 1 అంటే ఇది 4 pi. So in this way, if the given function is sum of two functions, we will take the LCM of both functions, and that is the period of the given function. Now let us take a solved problem from the textbook. That is example. Find the period of the following functions defined by, to find the period of the function f defined by the first one, f of x is equal to sin of x plus 3 sin of 5x plus 3 for all x belongs to R. Now let us take up the given function is f of x is equal to sin of 5x plus 3. So here we know g of x is sin of x this function has the period sin x period is 2 pi. Sin x period is 2 pi. Sin x period. Now we know if g of x is equal to f of x plus a plus c for all x belongs to real numbers, and period of f period of f period of g is p, then period of f of x plus a is p by mod a. We know this. So therefore, period of the given function sine of 5x plus 3. So here p is equal to 2 pi, a is equal to 5. So period of given function 5x plus 3 is p by mod a. So that is 2 pi by mod 5. So 2 pi by mod 5 is 5. So this is the period of sine 5x plus 3. Now let us take up some problems from the exercise. Exercise 6b. Find the period. Find the period of the following functions. The first one, cos of 3x plus 5. Cos of 3x plus 5. Now let the function as f of x cos of 3x plus 5. So here we know g of x is equal to cos x, and period of cos x is 2 pi. Then period of cos ax plus b is 2 pi by a. Therefore, period of is 2 pi by here a value. This is A. So this is B. 2 pi by 3. Okay. Formula is P by mod E. So therefore 2 pi by 3. So this is the period of cos 3x plus 5. Now let us take up second bit. Tan 5x let the function be f of x tan 5x. Here g of x is equal to tan x, and the period of tan x is 5. So this a value is 5 and p value is 5. Period of tan 5x is p by mod A. So therefore, period of tan 5x is 5 by a value 5. That is 5 by 5. Now let us take up the next problem. Cos of 4x plus 9 by 5. Now let given function be f of x. So you can write this one 4 by 5. I am separating the denominator, and 9 by 5. Here g of x is equal to, this is cos x, and p value, period of cos x is 2 pi, and a value is 4 by 5. So this is A, and this is P. Now formula, so P is equal to period of given function is equal to P by mod A. Therefore, period of cos 4x plus 9 by 5 is equal to, here p value is 2 pi, a value is 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Five pi by 2. 5 into 5 pi by 2 is the period. Now let us take up one more. Mod sin x. F of x is mod sin x. And we know if you take sin x function, the period of sin x is 2 pi, but period of mod sin x, is mod sin x is pi, since f of x plus pi is equal to mod of sin x plus pi is sin 180 plus theta is minus sin theta is minus sin x, but mod minus sin x is sin x. So that is f of x. F of x plus pi is equal to f of x. So therefore, the period is pi. So in case of sin mod x, sin x period is 2 pi, but sin mod x period is pi. Since mod of minus sin x is sin x, so f of x plus pi is f of x in case of mod sin x plus pi. So here mod is there, therefore if you take pi, the value is repeating. It is equal to f of x, x plus pi. So therefore remember, mod of sin x or mod of cos x. The period becomes pi. Normally, period of sin x is 2 pi, but if you take modulus of the function, the period becomes only pi. Let us take one more problem. Tan of x plus 4x plus 9x and so on plus n square x. So let the given function be f of x. This you can write as taking x common. This becomes 1 as 1 square and 4 as 2 square, 9 as 3 square and n square of x. So this is the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and sum of the squares of natural numbers. This is formula 1 square, 2 square up to n square is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. We know this formula. సహజ సంఖ్యల వర్గాల మొత్తం. So by using this, if you simplify this one, the function becomes f of x is equal to tan of n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6 of x. Now, so if you compare this with tan of ax plus b, here a value is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6, and gx tan x, and period of tan x is pi. So this is p value. So this is a value. So period of the given function now period of the given function tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus n square x is p by a. P is pi. A value is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So 6 becomes numerator. This is 6 pi by n into n plus 1 to n plus 1. So this is the period. Now let us take up one more problem. Find the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Find the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. ఇక్కడ పీరియడ్ ఇచ్చి ఫంక్షన్ కనుక్కోవాలి రివర్స్. సో లెట్ the given function period of sin x, let the period of sin x is p by mod a. Period of sin ax p by mod a. So p by mod a is equal to 2 by 3. Period is already given. So therefore, if you write it reverse, mod a by p 3 by 2. So mod a is equal to 3 by 2 into p. 3 by 2 into p. So here p is equal to 2 pi. Period of sine is 2 pi. You take mod a is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 pi. 2 will get cancelled. This is 3 pi. Therefore, a value is 3 pi. So the function is sin ax sin a value 3 pi x. So this sin 3 pi x root period is 2 by 3. So the period is given, we have to find the function. Now let us take one more. Find the period of cosine. Find the period of cosine function. Find the cosine function. Find the cosine function find the cosine function whose period is 7. Similar problem. Period is already given. So now let the required function be cos ax. The period of cos x is, so period of cos ax is 2 pi by mod a. But the period is already given as 7. Equating both, we get the a value. So here mod a is equal to 7 becomes this side 2 pi by 7. So now the cos function is cos, in place of a write 2 pi by 7 and x. So this is the function whose period is 7. Okay. So this is small topic, period and periodic function. You will get 2 marks short question from this. So period of sin x cos x sec x cosec x is 2 pi and tan x cot x is pi. And if period of fx is p and period of f of ax plus b is p by mod a. So using these two concepts, we can solve this type of questions. Thank you. Thank you for watching.